Hi there, students. Ruddy. Okay, an adjective. I guess you could use it as a verb as well. Okay, ruddy is a colour. It's a reddish colour. It's mostly red with a tiny bit of pink in it, but a red colour. You use it particularly to describe somebody's face or a fire or maybe the sky. So his face was ruddy after walking in the cold wind. Yeah, he was a ruddy-faced, powerful man. Okay, so ruddy, reddish, a red face, having a healthy reddish colour. Notice this word ruddy also implies healthy, rosy. Yeah, in health. Yeah, the ruddy flames shone in the darkness. There were these beautiful ruddy brown colours in the sunset. Okay, so ruddy is a colour. Yeah, his face was ruddy and healthy looking. Yeah, she was ruddy cheeked after working outside in the cold. Yeah, he was a cheerful looking chap with ruddy cheeks, with a ruddy complexion. Yeah, with this reddish colour. The ruddy sunset shone into the room. Okay, and then as a verb, to ruddy, to make red. So the setting sun ruddied our faces and everything around us. Notice we can also use this word ruddy as an intensifier, meaning bloody, when you're angry about something. This ruddy car won't start. That ruddy man didn't pay me again. Yeah? Okay, this is used instead of the word bloody. Yeah? Complete, total, damned. Yeah? Don't be a ruddy idiot. Yeah? That ruddy man said something nasty to me again. Yeah? The ruddy thing won't work. Okay, so just as a substitute for bloody. I think this, though, is probably very British. I'm not sure if they use it in other places. Okay, so something that's ruddy is reddish in colour. Yeah, particularly a ruddy face, a ruddy complexion. It also has this undertone of being healthy and full of energy, rosy, red, fresh and healthy. Okay, so formality. Well, as a colour, the word ruddy is neutral in formality. Yeah, it probably sounds a little bit literary, but you can definitely use it just about anywhere. And then that ruddy thing won't work. This is very informal. This 3.5 informality. Only use it when you're annoyed in an informal conversation. Yeah, use it as a euphemism for bloody. And to me, clearly this word ruddy is related to the word red. There's an old English word, ruddig, meaning reddish, yeah, which probably comes from some North Germanic word. There's an Icelandic word, roddy, meaning redness. Okay, so ruddy, a red, healthy colour, and then that ruddy dog has peed on the carpet again. Yeah, so an exclamation. Yeah, that bally dog, that bloomin' dog, that bloody dog, that damn dog. Okay, so ruddy. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ruddy.